One city, one building, many apartments, and many residents. One of them is Tom. He has ordered a lot recently, and now the boxes are piling up in his flat. They've got to go, but where? Tom takes the cardboard boxes to the rubbish bins for his building. The boxes belong in the blue bin. But the bin is completely full. There are even boxes strewn around beside it. By the way, pizza boxes do not belong in the paper bin. They contain leftover food, which means they belong in the residual waste. Unfortunately, it gets worse. There is rubbish everywhere, and somebody has left an old mattress next to the bins. That should be in the bulky waste. If waste is not disposed of properly, it starts to stink. It attracts rats and vermin, and the caretaker of the building must arrange collection of the bulky waste. This pushes up everybody's overheads. So, this problem not only affects Tom, but everyone who lives in his building. What can residents do to avoid this? Boxes fit in the bins more easily if they are crushed or folded up, and other people's boxes as well. Information regarding correct disposal can be found on the bins themselves, on signs in the waste area, or on the website of the BSR Municipal Disposal Service. It is often possible to find correct disposal information on product packaging. Bulky waste can also be disposed of for free at one of the nearby BSR recycling depots. By separating waste, everyone does their bit. Organic waste is used to produce biogas, which is used to fuel waste collection vehicles. Recyclables are recycled and used again. Waste paper is used to make new paper products. Thank you for helping. Together, we can make a difference.